Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by identifying the lever type and locating the fault, wobble, no return, or jam. Remove visible screws and retain them in order. Once done, pry off the trim gently to expose the spindle and retaining clip. Inspect the spindle and spring for wear, because worn parts cause play and failure. If it's electronic, make sure to disconnect power before you touch internals. Use a flashlight to map components and set a clear workspace so you won't lose tiny springs or pins. Once you have exposed the mechanism, remove the handle by loosening set screws and pulling the spindle straight out. Keep parts in sequence so reassembly is simple. Inspect the return spring and cam for deformation and look for stripped splines on the spindle. This is why levers slip. Clean grime with a cloth and solvent, then lubricate pivot points lightly to restore smooth motion. If a part is visibly damaged, replace it now rather than forcing the assembly back together, because partial fixes fail quickly. You reassemble by reversing the steps. Seat the spring and cam, insert the spindle with correct orientation, slide handles on, then tighten set screws firmly but not overdrive them. Once done, operate the lever 10 to 15 times to confirm smooth return and secure latch engagement. Make sure the strike plate aligns with the latch and adjust plate screws if needed. If you notice binding or slipping, stop and reopen the assembly. Misalignment or a stripped spindle is the usual culprit, so replace the worn component and retest.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.